Hello?
That's not the dancing bird.
Oh, wrong bird.
Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah,
Hey,
do your dance
come
now.
on, let's go. 1, 2, let's go.
Dance.
Yeah.
Oh,
Let's
isn't
go.
that funny?
Ready? Yeah. Let's go. Yeah.
Oh, isn't that funny?
Let's go.
Oh my
Ready?
gosh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
that is
Come on.
so
Yeah.
funny.
Yeah. That's right. Hey, come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on, do it with me. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Come on now.
Oh,
Come on
see,
now,
this one
Athena.
up here is having a fit because they're not getting any attention.
Hey.
I
Come
love
on.
to dance.
You're going to dance? Let's go.
Come on, you dance now. Yeah, you
I
dance.
love it when you
Hi. Hello, Griffon. Let's go. Come on. Let's go dance, man.
I don't think they dance.
Let's go dance.
It says I love to dance.
Dance. No, you're not so much dancer. I think he's a dancer. Come on. Let's go. Yeah.
Yeah, that guy's a dancer. He's
Okay.
born to dance. I think that these guys are mixing up right here.
Hey, come on, Griffon. Let's go.
That one has a harsh attitude, not that one. The other one up here.
Maybe. Come on, Griffon. Let's go. Come on. Yeah.
What?
No? You don't want to do it? Come on, dance. Yeah. There we go. Yeah.
That's a green cheek conure. Take the
There
picture on
we
that so you know
go.
what kind it is. And this is a sunburst conure.
Yeah. Come on, do your dance on the thing. There we go. Let's go. Yeah.
I like how his name is Athena.
Ready? Let's go.
of war.
Yeah.
Athena, the god of
god of
dance.
Let's go. Yeah. Ready?
Come on, you
Let's go.
dance.
Yeah.
Yep. There you go.
Yeah.
Get it on.
Yeah. Come on, dance.
No,
Yeah.
just a little bit more. You got this. No, no. Griffon.
Griffon, dance. Griffon. Come on.
I
Want me
like
to do it
turtles.
first?
They're trying to sell
Let's
this
go.
one here. They're
Yeah.
25% off.
Come on. Go, dance. Or are you tired? You tired, Griffon? There you go, Griffon. Griffon. Can you do it, Griffon? Griffon. Hey, no climbing. Hey, that's a dangerous place for a parrot.
Like you.
That's a dangerous place. That's good. Get down. Come on, dance. There we are. Hey, Griffon. Griffon. Hey there.
Hey, dance. Yeah. Come on, dance. Can you dance?
Hey.
That bird said he did. Look at, show him this. Show him this. And
My
that bird
personal-
says
I
he
love
loves
to
to dance,
dance.
but no, he's not
No.
even. That guy's dancing, but I love
He
when-
likes to dance.
Okay, yeah.
He's in the
He
groove.
just took your personality. He must have a multi-personality. It's like,
Yeah.
see that
See
guy?
that?
He's just,
All right.
yeah. Yeah, like, yeah. This is RC Pros 1, 2, 3, 4. Signing off. Boop.